Well, welcome Dr. Seamanduras and Dr. Hulbert. So nice to have you because you know what? March 30th, I don't know if our viewers are aware, is National Doctors Day. So thank you for all you have done and continue to do, and we're really happy to celebrate you on March 30th, which is just coming up. And you know, DOHC had a wonderful open house recently in Coachella. Talk to us about that.
Yes, I mean, it went great. It was very well organized. I think overall people had a really good time. There was like the medical part of it and the fun part of it. The medical, we had the mobile unit where we were checking people's blood pressure, blood sugars, their weights, and I was there getting to know my community. If they have any questions, I was there to help them out. And then the fun part, we had raffles, we had food, and we had the Poderosa there. It was a really nice event.
You know, and that's so nice to involve the community. I think the community really wants to know that you're approachable, that they can get those quick, easy tests, and that it's not kind of a mystery, that their health care is so important. And DOHC does such a great job in incorporating their community. And Dr. Hulbert, I know your community is in Yucca.
That's right.
So tell me what's going on up there. Busy, I'm sure.
Absolutely. It is busy. You know, we're also going to be hosting an open house just like the one we had in Coachella Valley. Definitely hoping to have a similar turnout and as much success as they had earlier. It's going to be on April 29th from 11 to 2. Encouraging everybody to come on out, bring the family. It's going to be fun. We're going to also do the health screenings like they had in Coachella, but we're also going to have, a barbecue and a petting zoo. So bring the kids out, have fun. It'll be open house, and I'm looking forward to meet everybody up there.
That's so nice. And I think that's part of really demystifying, really wellness and healthcare is knowing the doctors, the physicians, the assistants, the nurses, all of the healthcare industry, because a lot of times younger folks too, younger people are really kind of intimidated. They don't always do their checkups because they're not sure. But building that relationship, as I said, DOHC does a really wonderful job in making sure that you really have that personal relationship with your, is that kind of a mantra? Is that sort of a mission statement that you all subscribe to?
I kind of think it's more of maybe the younger generation of training in healthcare. I think part of the culture that is instilled in us early on is really to try to build relationships in addition to being a physician. I can't tell you how frequently I get people in my office and they're very nervous about showing up, and they hear horror stories about, my friend told me this is going to happen and that's going to happen, but I work hard to put them at ease and let them know that it shouldn't be so traumatic to come see your doctor. We try to make it as comfortable as possible.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Well, April 29th is your open house in Yucca, and March 30th, once again, National Doctors Day. So again, thank you for all you do, and come back and visit us again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Thanks for having us.